What you got there, Bev?
Oh, a little bit of bacon.
Yeah.
I'm gonna make a little bit of eggs.
Nice. You get a haircut?
I did. What do you think?
Anything about?
Did you get a haircut?
I did.
Oh my gosh.
I know.
What in the world's happening?
I don't know. Well, guys, it is now time for me to go get this little guy fixed. Boom. Not a new tire, but it looks like it's a new tire. They just did a tire repair. But still, better than driving on that little bear. That thing's sketchy as heck. Alright guys, well Bo is left for work, and I think it's nice and sunny outside. It's about 60 degrees. I think I'm gonna run out to that Haw Ridge place where we found those tadpoles and give that another shot. And hopefully find something. Alright, so that's where I parked last time. I'm gonna remember to park on the right side and just drive down there so I don't have to walk 4 miles. Looks right here like we have a rental pool. Always promising. I don't see any eggs or anything around there, but still, it's always a good sign. I don't know if there's anything we can flip around here before I kill myself. Oh, there's a dock. What? There's fishing spots around here too. That's crazy. Got a little off the paveway track. See, oh, that's pretty awesome. Dead ends right here into this creek. Now this is a prime spot where you're going to be finding some water snakes. Or for you sophisticated herpers in the rodeo. Sorry, I had to do it. For you guys who thought in Bo's morning wonderings he was making that up about cancer with the catfish, go ahead and hit that pause button and read that sign. That's crazy. Now this right here looks like a great little spot for some catfish. Or even probably some bass over there, I don't know. It's even got a chair. Whoa. Alright, well if I don't make it back guys, you can blame Haw Ridge on there. Oh, chair. Huh. Living memory of Luke. Huh. Wow, look at that. There's even fish jumping. It's crazy. You get a little swim bait out here, but you tear them up. Oh, man, I really need to get my fishing license. Yeah. Alright, that is not okay. For you guys wondering why you get cancer, look over there. The big steam plant over there. On the other side of those trees. Hey Rob, I found a dump site. Not sure I can flip any of these though. Looks like somebody had a good night. And over here, it looks like we got this little runoff stream. I hear a lot. So I'd imagine, yeah, oh, you can already tell there's stuff in there. Look at that. You can go get a net so I can go scooping around in there and see what we can find. Yeah, I'm thinking where tomorrow is. Oh, you guys are welcome. Try not to scare them away. See him right there on that log. Looks like a painted turtle. Or a red-headed slider. I don't know if any of you guys can tell from this distance what that is. Let me know in the comments. But they're out, so that's good. Look at this. Quick before he flies away. This dude just scared the piss out of me. Wow, it's beautiful. Look how pretty he is. Just over there fishing, huh? I'm gonna follow you. Don't run away. Let the internet see you. Better view of you. Look at you. Wow. You are pretty. You guys know what species bird that is? let me know. If it's a crane or a heron. I don't think it's a heron. Let me know in the comments for sure. So what I'm thinking is right here where all these reeds are, all these bushes and stuff, tomorrow it's supposed to be like kind of cloudy but partly sunny at the same time, like 67 degrees. I'm thinking a lot of these water snakes would be up here basking on both sides. Because especially where this is so shallow, you just post up on one of these things and then just boom, just jump straight down and grab a fish. It's like a buffet for water snakes. So hopefully find something now, but definitely tomorrow if we don't today. I was wondering what all this yelling was. Apparently they haven't, must be like Army or Navy, little rowing things. That's really cool. They are getting it. Get it. Sweet mother of God, I might have found the spot. I'm trying to do a video. You mind? I think I might have found the spot. Flip some rocks and find a good amount of stuff. Look, there's rocks. That side, it's a greenway wetland. If you guys want to pause that and read that, you can. But look, there's rocks everywhere, all up and down there. It's a perfect spot for little ringneck snakes, worm snakes to be hiding out. All these pools, you know there's got to be some salamanders and stuff in them. You know there does. Jordan, why don't you flip it right now? Because I'm just marking this to save it for tomorrow. I'm just seeing what I can find on this trail first. Because if I just do all these little pit stops right now, I will not get home till like 2 a.m. Ooh, a duck. Aren't you guys adorable? That's cool. And so, where all this stuff is part of this park, it's all herpable. Herpable? You herpers out there, let me know if I just made up a word for herping. Herpable. I think I might have. So it's looking like I've hit the point of where I have to return, because here is where I put my car. Walked this, came out to here, and then I walked this, came out to here, and if I keep going, it doesn't loop back around. So I think, oh wow, those are all the trails? Holy crap. This guy's NC2, and crap, it's not gonna focus. Closer to him without scaring him. There he is. You guys happen to know what kind of species we're dealing with here? Well, crap. There he is. You guys know what kind of species this is? Let me know. Because I'm not gonna lie, I have absolutely no idea. Still. Come here. Come on. I'll let you stay on your leaf. Still a very, very cool find. I'm gonna stay on his leaf. Is that dusky or? I don't know. He is definitely pretty looking though. Oh, oh, oh. Where you going, dude? Where are you going? Okay, you want to burrow back down there? Well, hang on. I don't want to squish you. Put you right here for now. Put your log back. Okay. And then take you. You little beauty. I should focus. I'm gonna put you right. Actually, I'm gonna put you away where anybody can mess you up. There you go, buddy. There you go. Yep, see ya. Well, if that's any indicator to how tomorrow's gonna go, I'm super pumped now. They have all these biking trails. I know I never hikes down. Really. And I just went down one, not even 20 feet, and that's what we found. So I can only imagine what's further deeper in there. We'll find out tomorrow. And we're back to my car. Oh, alright guys, well, I'm gonna head back to the house, edit this up, and might try to get a few more videos shot for later on in the week. Maybe some mean comment videos or something like that. But yeah, tomorrow definitely gonna come out here earlier, much earlier, and tackle some of those off-road trails and see what we can find. But thank you guys so much for watching. If you're brand new, don't forget to subscribe. Click the middle thing in the beginning. One of those videos is going to be my older video. The other one's going to be Bo, his newest Morning Wanderings, which you guys need to check out. And I reckon I'll see you guys tomorrow. So I'm pumped.